Well, I have a dilemma here. I hadn't realised how bad that jumper was, and he says it's a work jumper and it doesn't matter, and he certainly hasn't asked me to mend it. In fact, he's really good about mending his own stuff without making a big thing of it. But walking down the road there, I felt a bit ashamed. I thought people might look and see and say, God, poor man. She doesn't look after him very well. Can't love him very much. And then I think, well, heaven's sake, we're both retired. Why should I have to do it? Just because I'm a woman? Anyway, the old ingrained things that I was taught as a child, that, you know, it's a woman's role to look after the family and to do the mending and the cooking and the cleaning. Although we share all that now, but something deeply embedded inside, I thought, maybe I'll mend it for him. Oh, years ago my mother taught me, when you're mending a hole in the jumper, see, I was well brought up, you stitch round first, like this, stitch round the hole, then I think you pull it together like that, and then let's just secure that. I think this is the way you do it. Until I don't do it very often, not this kind of stuff, mending. And then you kind of herringbone between the two, going beyond where you put that initial circle, and I think that holds it together. Yes, this is all right. Hardly shows. I won't be judged. Well, I won't be found wanting in the village when he walks through in his jumper, which has no longer got holes in it. They'll look and they'll say, oh, she does love him. That's good. Now, just check, see what else there is. So there's those two. Oh my goodness. I hadn't seen that one. That's enormous. And look at all the fraying at the edges. You'll see that. I'm not going to be able to do that. Oh lordy. Well, I've given up. And if they judge me by the holes in his jumper, then tough. I know I love him.